What's up, guys? It's Silent, and right now I'm in the Mott Haven section of the Bronx. I'm gonna do a little walkthrough so you guys can see what this area is like. I'm on my way to a special event, an open mic at the Bronx Native, so we're gonna see a bunch of people, you know, sharing their creativity and things of that nature, rapping and singing and dancing. So it should be dope to show you the nighttime version of the BX and what goes down in this community. Let's see. Look who's cleaning.
Right, look at the tree. That's right.
Chino.
Yeah, baby.
Cleaning, man.
I'm a cleaner.
Sorry.
I gotta make sure this whole block from here all the way around the block. Got to stay clean.
And how long?
I always come back
How long you've been here?
all my life. But when they started, September, I've been here since. So everybody,
When who started?
Mott Haven fridge. Like it. Don't play with me, man.
So what can you tell people outside? Because you know a lot of people outside of New York like to talk bad about the Bronx. What can you tell people like that?
Hey, the Bronx is the Bronx. All I can say is, welcome. Come home and you see how it is. If you're gonna feel that way about the Bronx, you're in the same spot, whether it's Queens, Brooklyn, or whatever it is. We all gotta live. You just gotta know how to behave. If you know how to behave in whatever you go to, you could be killing yourself. You don't have to start no problems with nobody. Everything has to do with the community. You know, be humble and lovable. Once you be humble and lovable, nobody can say shit. Because everybody got to come back to you and, what's up, what's up, what's up. You understand what I'm saying?
Amen.
That's how it is. When they come over and they say, what's up, because you're already making your amends. You know? You're always making your amends. No matter what you did back in the days, there's always something new. We all gotta pick ourselves up. You know? I'm glad that I never went wrong. Even though, you know. But it's all good. We
And
just got a community out here.
And what is summertime in the Bronx like?
Oh man, beautiful.
If you had to describe it to somebody.
Beautiful. The pumps are open. Everybody having fun. Got barbecues all over. Hey, come to the 4th of July party. I'm gonna make a party over here on 4th of July. Barbecue the whole 9 yards. Everybody's bringing food. That's how I got everybody out here. You don't bring none, you can't come. I'm only playing, people. All right, come as well. You know what I'm saying? Just have fun. Let's open up this block right here. Let's see if at least the city can come and fix that floor for us, so no old people can't fall. Because if anybody falls, that's a lawsuit. You want that? Then you can have it. You know? We need that fixed. Everybody needs to be comfortable. Well, I understand where y'all coming from, but just make sure, remember, St. Anne's, 141st Street. All right, you're all welcome to come. Y'all want to meet me? Come over. We'll be straight. You know what I'm saying? I'll make you feel comfortable instead of making you feel uncomfortable. I got all my friends out here.
Appreciate it, Chino. Good night. All right, so we're gonna keep on walking St. Anne's. Let me get the sign so you can see. Oh, 141st and St. Anne. Let me get that sign. That one's better. All right, so we're gonna keep it moving. And by the way, that was Chino. He helps Dan with the Mott Haven fridge, which is a fridge that's open for the community, and they can take food. Whoever needs food in the community just goes up in that fridge. $25. This is a true Bronx experience. You got the music blasting, people hanging out, smoking hookah. Pioneer Supermarket. If you from the Bronx, you already know. You already know. Right now we hitting 138th Street. Look at that sunset. Let me show you this sunset. Wow. Chicken spot, like I told you, you get a chicken spot everywhere you go to in the Bronx. Any hood, chicken spot is what it's gonna be. That'd be your lunch, dinner, you name it. We are going to 135th because that's where Bronx Native is. We're gonna check out the little event. Should be dope. Right now we're passing by Millbrook houses. If you don't already know by now from my previous videos or just from the Bronx in general, there's a lot of housing projects. And through the years, they've tried to gentrify them by building new ones, affordable housing. And those are like really nice looking and have different amenities like laundry rooms and playrooms and etc. Versus the original ones weren't as grand, I should say. This bridge actually has some dope graffiti as well and mural painting. Make space for the arts, educate, inspire. This is Bistro, which is like a hip hop food restaurant place. And this is the Lit Bar, which is a library and wine bar in the back. And I like this. Reach the world, but touch the hood first. Amen. And, you know, everybody's just chilling, having a good time on a hot summer night. I like how they made little booths outside with the lights. It's very summery. So since I gotta go back, I'll show you the murals from this side of the bridge. This is real New York. You see all the Bronx houses, apartment buildings with the fire hydrant, the pump with water, the train, the mural kings. Bring art back. Crash, one of the pioneers of graffiti. Tats Crew is a very popular tagging group who do murals and graffiti all over New York City.
Jose's been here. He said it's good, but it's pricey. Like they think they're in Manhattan. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'll give it that.
South Bronx Swamp Meet, which I believe they do every Saturday. Bronx Native. This is where the event is taking place.
I can't stop for nobody, so I go. I can't stop for nobody, so I go. I can't stop for nobody, so I go. I can't stop for nobody, they're too slow. I can't stop to move my pistol loose. He's a speed. Where I said, he do you like rice and peas. Curvy ain't no stepping, bitch. Watch where you step before you get buried. Be my friend, this is cemetery and no obituary. Older than a mother, February. Scary, so tryna be legendary. They can say I'm free starter, hey. Y'all run them to the border, hey. I want to take who you got up with the stuff from the east. I'm me from the west, these that are rep. I got to put this track up with the rumors and rest. OVO can make room for a story box. That's one of my bank, come with the bank. They try to box me out, give me the pound, but I feel a little weight. They wanted to spray, about to get in boxes, they never gonna slay. Inshallah, first thing I do is get up and pray.
We're gonna be doing a lot more of this. We're gonna be doing showcases and much more with local talent and local artists out here. So give it up for that. You all ready?
My name is Jeremy. I'm the owner of Bodega Truck. You'll find us all over the place. We serve the best chopped cheese in this city. Period.
I'm fly with it. C-I-T-Y with it. Right cheek, left cheek with it. Fun size on fleet with it. Slim, thick, petite with it. She wet with the key.
Hello, it's me, just call me T. Marie, and I am here at Bronx Native at their Tag Up pop-up shop, open mic night, poetry. There's been rappers, there's been singers, there's been everything. It's just been a vibe. Anybody who got something bad to say about the Bronx can eat a dick, you heard?
Make a little change in the game, arcade eyes raised on the young niggas looking no clue. Putting in the work 2 feet on the turf, cause the old hands step gon' say I got a proof. Climbing in the booth, one thing, 150cc green like a nigga been booed.
Yeah. Well, there you go, people. That's the Bronx at night. As you can see, they still partying behind me, but I'm going home. I've been filming since 7 a.m. I woke up at 6, and it is now, I'm gonna show you, 11 p.m. So it's time to head on home, and yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing the Bronx at night. Put your mask on, stay protected, and until the next one, peace.